Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a screenshot of your Oppo A16. There is a three-way to make a screenshot. First we go to the settings and convenient tools. Now go to screenshot to learn about making a screenshot. As I said, there is a three-way to make a screenshot. So 3 fingers swipe down. Let's try. Yep, the screenshot was made it. Now 3 finger touch and hold. Whoop, that was 3 finger. A part here of scrolling screenshot. Oh wow! If you want to screenshot from the from some space from the screen, and the third way is the volume down and power. So that is the way. As you see, we have screenshot all the screen, and that is the three-way about the making the screenshot. Of course, you have here the tutorial. You can delete original image upon editing, and screenshot sound. You can disable it if you don't like the sound. If you don't mind, you can enable it. And that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!